Kofi. I started with them.
Okay.
Though they were there. Me share in Kokonsa through legendary Abeku Santana.
Okay.
And when they saw me, they all liked me. And most of these bloggers still blog me to date. Many celebrities are not December now. Okay, she be do me work bloggers and not my chum hamper. Those time I was doing it, that starts me being here. They were not doing it. Because those time I was training.
Okay.
And they held me.
Okay. If you thought, say, you wanted to appreciate them.
Yeah, so if Christmas and I say be Easter, may ye give away. I call them, I meet up with them opposite Papaya. Not me their mom. No more. But some stars be shall see her. If you post her, don't post me.
Hey.
Yeah, if you post her, don't it's real. Sister, be a pomo you'll be bauna uni. Ebi awu to obi yobi ba unni mama nkan unni. And they don't do it to me alone. They do it among themselves.
We post we dem post
me. Post me. No we post na eden.
Then oye.
The brand no cranya. Sometimes cry so who trend bibi aba na who trend yeah. When they see that you are trending, I didn't come. We men post yeah, they we men post.
They say oh here come na mom yes ana.
I don't even know.
And I hamper na the mass a particular blogger na nani aso.
Oh. I don't think it's about the hamper thing, but
and they say looking at it, maybe on come so we post in the first place.
In the first place,
because what you can tell me no you are down for.
Yeah.
No be a share me Felicia and Akuapem Poloo be about showing so. Je buy 1,000 manemba.
Manemba.
Me dey we am afre o.
Yo, sanya obi tia me bet na TV station so am to me be promoting in your man. Omo promote obi fufuro nyom. Me am abeji airtime. Munim semeba me de me nyoma a day before program no ye de be nyumre nti unim semeba unim se me nyom na be promote ma bet na se me ni wa ya too we bi sa me din o ya wa o say before I be come ansem no we should dance to this song. So minim so is part of controversy and is part of interview no and I started ball before from nyom. So after I know no media never no show me music video any baby because that's why I'm here. When you say yes, sir, I'm na show time and here and I'm sorry for show ni so. Yeah, one me music video no cry din.
O sa o mo san say we dey remember that be.
Me say, me afi the video my uncle for me nyom ko obi agina ho.
Na manager we ya wan be so mo say na onyom we.
Me manager wo pan but now we were speechless because we didn't expect that. And so sorry. And I'm not no bufu now sorry fi.
Eba bontin
Poloo muade.
Yes.
The mom some no matia will tell so what you will do is what they will put out there. They won't say host na say presenter na wako sisa we. Oma mbomi nyom.
And I'm sure. We no mu. O say house na to na na door so.
Oh, enyumre na me de ba ye de ma motor.
E betumi afra, you never know. E be a fry.
Okay, let me tell you like that. It's like that. And I'm the promoting ni pa kuni mo nyom. Person ni pa kun after that incident. Ni nyom bia mba out a hit biom. Ni pa npo we am se we jan nyom to.
O ko ye ni bia na.
Man ko ye ni mi jan ni manya me. Me ye video man ma ekọ baby ola mi den mi na post sa mi video.
Na say you on the boy nyom.
The video ni na risky di mi na post that mi video because I didn't shame me.
Yeah, oja.
I didn't shame me because I wouldn't do that to any human being. Me ni mo people a obi ni na make say we men friend wa. And I'll be back from me for movie. Wine bastard. If you hate me, you knew say a music video and I'm a kwabo anyway. So now you see a koye.
Yeah.
If you don't like me, oh me Poloo, I can't work with Poloo.
I can't work with Poloo nyom no media.
I was this way.
Na say nyom nyam dia. And Poloo nyom no twa Poloo ka. It is a Poloo nam hana nam ha. Dey na me ma.
Yeah, I can't work with Poloo. And Panso say if they want you, they will drop Poloo and pick you. That's what goes on.
Into what how do you feel about nyama we nyina?
Sister, I feel bad. It's because be any poor sans no you'll be open as them.
We look up to us or your idol be our worshiping or like
you see sis.
Maybe some business say didn't know how mo you say.
I don't know because whatever it is, maybe in industry sister I mean we are there. Omont emba news say Poloo akọ wi obiska. Na Poloo akọ bu obi aginisika. Na Poloo akọ dada nkwala bi agigi omuska. Me meji obi chop money. Na obi metu mi oni kunu fi. Say Poloo lidi.
Seven.
Excuse me. Chale. Poloo ajimi kunu fi mi nse. we've never heard that before. And I say, there's Nyame and say I only have fun on my page, which everybody is having fun on their page.
Obi a be differently.
Sister,
The fact that one pay me the NHS say me yaboni.
me yeboni, me yao ye. But for no reason, it's not good for my image. But some people doing the same thing that I do, they are good for your image.
Inti afi uhun ni say o utuba ko Islamic no.
Yeah.
Onkofo na pa wasema na say still ade mo ye no mo ye.
Oh, nkrofo no mo yes won pema sam me ni omo nhia mo since I'm converted.
Okay.
Me ni omo nhia. But who knows?